In this video, we will go through a step-by-step process to find products for your dropshipping store using Spocket. You can start by searching for products using specific keywords that match what you want to sell. For example, if you are looking for a polo shirt, you can enter the keyword in the search bar and click on Research. Once you perform the search, all products related to your keyword will be displayed. You can browse through them based on price, supplier ratings, and other filters that make your search easier. This allows you to find the products that best match your store and your target customers. After selecting the products, you can add them to your store's product list. This step helps you organize your offerings and prepare your store for customers. Using this method, dropshippers can efficiently manage their inventory, find trending products, and maximize profits by choosing items that are likely to sell well. By following this approach, you streamline the process of sourcing products and ensure your dropshipping store remains competitive and appealing. This method saves time, improves efficiency, and helps you focus on selling products that align with your store strategy. Spocket helps you build your dropshipping store in just 5 minutes with AI. Access high-quality products with super fast shipping from premium US and EU suppliers. Start your free 14-day trial at YB.Digital/drop and revolutionize your e-commerce success today.